Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. XDC network huge bullish, pumping, rising rally continue. XDC network price prediction update forecast, latest technical analysis, last 24 hours 28% pumping increase. Coming days price value more increasing, rise 10%. Current technical indicator sentiment is bullish, price volatility over 6%. Good time XDC network buy entry trade. All technical indicators sentiment is bullish. 30 technical analysis indicators signaling is bullish signals and FIOS signaling is bearish signals. Daily, weekly SMA simple moving average bullish by daily, weekly EMA exponential moving average by bullish. 24-hour trading volume 24.15 million, market cap 638 million, market dominance 0.07%, current circulating supply XDC network 12.50 billion, out of supply 38 billion, support levels 0.04, 0537, 0.038158 and 0.037538, resistance levels 0.042705, 0.043594 and 0.045085. Currently RSI 75.05, which indicates XDC network overbought position. It means price will increase more, rise based on XDC network technical indicator sentiment forecast. Good time investment, buy entry trade XDC network. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.